So do you love him?
No.
Why are you lying?
Shit.
You didn't give me a kiss.
No, I didn't give you a
Your responsibility and your everything. They go to school. This is your dog. I'll grab you by the throat and face in the shit.
I'm not picking it. It's not supposed to be picked.
Jenna.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, look what I got!
Pets certainly can change a dad's mindset. Parents are like, we're not adopting that, until they adopt one.
I swear to God. What is wrong with you? That it better not be for here.
Dogs have magic powers that can make them impossible not to love.
Yeah, I was weak.
After all, his love for the cat is so contradictory to his words.
Start there though. We'll see who will cry. You don't know who you're playing with. I will use you and do cutlets.
Happy birthday!
I want to know. Oh, I'm not taking it. I've got another useless bastard over there I'm going to shoot.
Kansai, yo, अभी मैं ये नाश्ता खत्म होने निकाल देना, ओके? और राइट मैं उठा के खुद फेंक दूँ।
They're a cat family, the best one in the world so far. Just a man and a dog. This father surely indulges his dog too much. Guess karma hits him hard, but he's happy about it. Maybe it's the father instinct, or he just loves his puppy a lot. Changing the negative look of Asian parents towards pets can be hard, but the result is worth it.
Te lo tiro, te lo juro, o lo mato y lo hago carnita.
Sometimes all you need is to open your heart to achieve happiness. He wants his buddy. Just took him a while to see it. Remember, dads, pets are cute, funny, and lovable. Just have one and you'll see. Just passing by to say goodbye to this cat. He's grateful every day about having the best puppy in his life. Success is when your dad accepts your cute pet. Now, you know who's the favorite child in the typical Indian house. Once a cat lover, always a cat lover. Dads are the toughest when it comes to adopting pets, but also the softest when taking care of them. The hidden camera says it all. This dad loves his dogs more than anything. No wonder why he intends not to let his raccoon go. Carrying birds around can be a burden at first, but not for too long. Here's the pillow to the most adorable puppy in the house. Hamsters are quite naughty, but still cute and fluffy. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.